Hello everyone, this is Ning from Lens Lab Polimi. I will show you how to use a Miro-based version of the interaction table. Before we start, make sure you already have a Miro account. Then you can go to the Miroverse, search Lens Lab Polimi, and choose the tool. On the tool page, you can click Use Template to build a new board in your account, or click the arrow to put the template in a previous board you have made before. Let's start. The tool aims to design or co-design and visualize the functioning in time of the system as a set of narratives of both the front desk and backstage interactions. It is a graphical representation containing each actor per row. The sequence of images push short text representing the various actions of each stakeholder. The product and services delivered in each action, highlighting ownership, lifecycle responsibilities, and provider. A short text describing the specific role played by each stakeholder in every single action, plus a narrative of that. Our tutorial will be here below the basic information of this tool. You can come back and check if you forgot something. By clicking the arrow on the top right corner of this button, you will be quickly navigated to the tool template. Don't be afraid of the template. Click the sample to give an overview of the tool after we work on it. In the first column, we will put our stakeholders individually with different color codes. We can copy and paste the labels we have made before here. In the row for each stakeholder, we need to think about what actions they will take to make the activity card. How to make the activity card. We can use the card maker to help us. There are 3 parts to a card: the role of the stakeholder, the scene image, and the descriptions. We can click the text part and modify the text. You can choose your way to make the image. We suggest you use Photoshop or Figma to create the image quickly. You can check the guidelines here on the right. After we create the image, we click the gray default image and choose to replace from the device, and then the image. Then the card is done. We can move it to our template. After you get familiar with the process, you can modify the cards directly in the template. Now we need to highlight the product and service in different activities, and also the product owner and service provider. Maybe while working with this tool, we will add more cards on different phases or add more stakeholders. Don't worry. Feel free to modify the template to enlarge it. Isn't it easy and interesting? I hope our new tool version can help you create a better SPSS. To know more about the tool, you can check www.lenslab.polimi.it. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please contact us through the email addresses shown on the screen. We will be super happy to hear your voice. See you in the next video. Ciao.